Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we are going to show you the power of Docker. Right. As you can see, this operating system here, Ubuntu, this is a fresh installation. It doesn't have any node. So if it doesn't have any node, so it doesn't have any Angular. The only thing that I have here is Visual Studio Code and Docker. I haven't set up the Visual Studio Code so that it will work with Docker. So the IntelliSense and everything will be inside Docker. And yeah, I just have the software like in the host. So I'm not sure how to set that up yet, but in this video, I am just going to work with or create an Angular project um, without any Node and Angular in the host app. So everything will be inside a Docker container. So to begin, I am going to create a Docker, I don't know, what's that, Angular Docker demo. Okay, so let's go to Angular Docker demo and let's open up Visual Studio Code. Right, so I trust this use author. So now let's begin. Let's create a Docker file called generate. Right, so we have some Codigo um, in our previous example. So this one here, we're not gonna install anything. So here, this is going to be, so we're not gonna use this. This one will be the repo name. So we'll call this ngx web, right? So ngx web, CLI, repo name is this repo name. It's going to create an Angular app, and then it's going to emit that app in where the repo, yeah, it's going to emit that this project nginx web in here. So it's going to give us that one. And then the command to generate that is we're going to docker build this one first. Docker build tag what will be the tag here? Ngx web generate. Yeah, it will be this one here. This one will be its, yeah, its command. So we're going to remove this. We're first going to change this to generate. Okay, we're going to build. This is ngx web generate. So it's going to build that. Okay, so it's going to build this, and then it's going to start, and then this one, yeah, it will create a new container. Maybe is this a container or an image? Maybe a container from this image. Then it's going to start, then copy whatever is in here into ngweb. So this is going to be njxweb. Everything will be copied there, and then it's going to stop that, and then I'm going to remove. Okay, so let's begin. Let's copy this, or maybe we can even just put it. Oh no, we don't have a PowerShell here. So let's just run them one by one like this. It's going to build that one. So what this will do is it will generate an Angular yeah, so this entire script here is going to generate a new Angular application, and the version is the latest. So it's going to be an NJX web, and then the version is version 16. Okay, so where is our Angular? Damn, where is it? So it created, oh, is there any error? Copy, exporting, front end, oh, build, mkdir, repo name, ngweb. Where is it now? Where is it? Where? Very far. Hey, where is it? So it doesn't have any error. So run ngweb ngx. So it's going to create that, and then whatever is in there. Am I right? So this is the working directory. So working directory. Um, it's going to install, and then it's going to create a new repo, and then it's going to make this one. Oh yeah, so we haven't completed it yet. So what's our last command? Our last command is this one. We're going to build. The next is we're going to execute this. This one. Then we're going to execute this. This one. Then we're going to execute this one. So it's going to copy. Yep. So it's there now. Yeah, it's there now. And then we're going to stop this one. Like a children often do. She said, yeah, right. And then we're going to remove. Alright, so we now got generated Angular without any Angular CLI here. We don't have any Angular CLI, we don't have any node, and we got an Angular emitted. Now next is we're going to really run this application. So we're going to create a new Docker file. So dockerfile.dev, and we have a Codigo of that one here as well. And this is going to be this one here. Yeah, this one. Then we're just going to copy this and put it here. And we're going to copy the ngxweb package.json, and then we're going to put it here in the app package.json. And same, we're going to use the latest. We remove this and then remove this. And next is going to again install the Angular CLI inside this upcoming container that we're going to create. Upcoming image. Then it's going to install the package.json, and then it's going to copy what we have here, the ngxweb. We're going to copy it inside the Docker container, and then we're going to expose 4200, and then we're going to run the CMD so that it will ng serve instead of having it run as an ng build already. So it's going to be an ng start. And that's it for the Docker command. And what we want to do next is we want to we just wanted to execute this command here. This command, we're going to run the current directory ngxweb, this one here, and then there's supposed to be an src. Yeah, we still have src, and then the app src will be like the source of that, or maybe it's going to copy that, copy the, or run, or like this is going to be a volume, like bind this source here, the source of this folder here, into the source of the Docker. So it's still going to be 4200 as the host port, and then this 4200 is this Docker containers exposed port. Then we're going to name this ngxweb, and the image that we're going to use is this ngxweb. But before that, we are going to first build. So docker build, the file will be this docker. Is it gonna be like that, or it will be like that? Let's see. Docker. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's see here. Docker build file is docker file. Yeah, okay, so in Ubuntu it's just gonna be like this simple here. Copy that one and put it in here, this dev, and then we're going to tag it as ngxweb, and then is it gonna be the docker current? Yes, I think it's okay. So this one here, ngxweb, and what else? I think we can just do this. Okay, and then let's start. So it's going to do this again here as mentioned earlier. Let's docker psa. Yeah, we don't have anything running there. Let's build this development container. We are now ready to run that. So we can check what are our Docker images. So we have NGX web that is ready to go, and let's start that. Damn. Okay, let's check. It is running. Yep, it was running. So now let's go to our browser and then let's load localhost 4200, and seems like it's not working. Is it working? Was it exited? No, right? 4200 2701 CP. This is weird. So what have we done? So NGX is gonna get copied here, or NGX here, yeah. He was right over. Many questions. So what we can do is go to that to the Docker container that we are running, ngx. All right, and let's go to that. Yeah, we have the Angular app here. We have index that oh, it's empty. And why is this empty? Is this really empty? Nope, it's not empty. src. So ngx. So here it has that src, but it doesn't contain anything. Why is that so? NGX web. Mr. Ben, late afternoon, I could tell by how far Shannon says down. He was with a blueprint. So this one we copy from this one to here. Many questions, like children often do. She said, you show me on yourself on God, 'cause I'm on my way to see him tomorrow, very far. Very far. Well, Mary now. Very now. Or maybe we can run it like this. That's right. Ooh, how about Jesus? Never. Mm, so that's it. We just need to make this capital letter for Ubuntu. So alright, there you go. We have a running Angular application. We don't have any Angular here. We don't have any node, but it's still running because this is run inside the Docker container. And if I am going to change something here, it will still be the same. Yeah, package.json. This is still 16, and where is the router here? So if I say like something like that, then Angular 16 on Docker. See, it automatically updates, and that's so beautiful. If we are going to add more content, added, and it go. There you go. So that's it. Using only Docker, you'll be able to set up um, and work with Angular application in your machine just by using Docker. Alright, so cool. Thanks. Bye. See you on the next video. Bye.